Welcome back to As Autos, where we uncover the most exciting rides of tomorrow, today. In this video, we're diving deep into the 2026 Volvo XC60, a luxury SUV that combines cutting-edge safety, elegant Scandinavian design, and a tech-focused future. With Volvo's vision for sustainability and innovation, the XC60 isn't just an SUV, it's a statement on wheels. Redesigned elegance with Scandinavian roots, the 2026 XC60 brings a fresh yet familiar design. It embraces clean lines, a refined front fascia, and new Thor's hammer LED headlights that now extend slightly into the grille for a bolder presence. The aerodynamic profile remains sleek, but subtle tweaks make the XC60 look sharper and more purposeful than ever. Volvo has refined the silhouette with new alloy wheel options and a rear redesign that feels modern but unmistakably Volvo. An interior that feels like a premium lounge. Step inside, and the XC60 reveals its true character: calm, classy, and luxurious. Soft sustainable materials like wool blends, responsibly sourced wood trims, and leather-free options create a serene driving experience. The cabin remains minimalist, with a large Google-powered infotainment system front and center. Voice commands are smoother, and wireless updates keep the system fresh without needing a visit to the dealership. The seats, as always, offer legendary comfort, with optional massage and ventilation. Rear seat passengers get more legroom and new climate controls, while the panoramic sunroof gives the cabin an open-air vibe that adds to the elegance. Powertrain options: electrified and efficient. Volvo continues its electrification mission with the 2026 XC60, offering a range of hybrid and fully electric versions. The plug-in hybrid T8 Recharge model now boasts a longer all-electric range, up to 75 km on a single charge, thanks to improved battery chemistry. Meanwhile, the full-electric variant, dubbed the XC60 Recharged Pure Electric, offers dual-motor AWD and a projected 500 km of range. Performance feels smooth, swift, and silent. With over 400 horsepower in higher trims, acceleration is instant, but it's delivered in that calm, composed Volvo manner. Regenerative braking has also improved, with customizable settings for city or highway driving. Safety comes standard, the Volvo way. As expected, Volvo leads the industry in safety. The 2026 XC60 debuts an evolved Pilot Assist 2.0 system. With improved sensors, radar, and AI-assisted algorithms, the XC60 can now handle adaptive cruise, lane centering, and stop-and-go traffic more naturally. Standard features include autonomous emergency braking, pedestrian and cyclist detection, blind spot monitoring, and Volvo's unique runoff road mitigation. Volvo also adds intersection auto braking, a feature designed to reduce T-bone collision risks during unprotected turns. Ride comfort and handling. On the road, the XC60 glides with a new sense of confidence. Volvo has fine-tuned its adaptive air suspension, delivering smoother rides over bumpy terrain and sharper cornering when needed. Drive modes adapt based on terrain, battery charge, or driver preference. Noise insulation has improved, especially in the electric version. You'll notice the cabin stays whisper quiet even at highway speeds, allowing the premium Bowers & Wilkins sound system to truly shine. Trim levels and customization. The 2026 XC60 comes in several trims, including the Core, Plus, and Ultimate, with an additional Polestar-engineered version for those wanting a sportier feel. Buyers can choose from a curated selection of exterior colors inspired by Nordic nature, think Fjord Blue, Glacier White, and Pine Gray. Tech packages, interior themes, and wheel choices let customers personalize their XC60 like never before. A new Volvo app integrates everything from climate scheduling to remote software updates and even trip planning with public charging station integration. Pricing and launch timeline. Volvo has kept pricing competitive in the premium SUV segment. The base hybrid model starts around $52,000, while the top-end electric version climbs to $68,000 before incentives. Global deliveries begin in late 2025, with most markets seeing full availability by early 2026. Final verdict: is the 2026 XC60 the best midsize SUV yet? The 2026 Volvo XC60 isn't trying to be the flashiest SUV on the road, it's trying to be the smartest, safest, and most serene. It blends refined design, sustainable materials, next-gen safety, and advanced electrification in a way that few rivals can match. If you're looking for a luxury SUV that prioritizes comfort, technology, and peace of mind, the XC60 is more than just a contender, it might just be your next favorite vehicle. Outro. Thanks for watching this deep dive review on the 2026 Volvo XC60 here on As Autos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next review on the latest and most exciting rides from around the world. Stay safe, stay smart, and we'll see you in the next video.